Welcome to another training video in MD-102 Microsoft 365 Endpoint Administrator series. This video covers the Examine Application Management Learning Path. The learning path has three modules. Module 1 is Execute Mobile Application Management and will be covered in this video. In other two videos, I will cover Deploy and Update Applications and Administer Endpoint Applications. My name is Navneet Kumar and I'm a Microsoft certified trainer. In case you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe it for latest updates on the channel. Well, the module 1 is about Execute Mobile Application Management. The module objectives are examine mobile application management, examine considerations for mobile application management, preparing the line of business applications for app protection policies, implement mobile application management policies in Intune, and finally manage mobile application management policies in Intune. Intune Mobile Application Management, also referred as MAM, helps manage and protect the mobile applications on users' devices. It allows you to publish, push, configure, secure, monitor, and update applications without needing to fully manage the entire device. App protection policies are part of MAM and are used to protect the data inside the applications, like preventing data leaks or copying and pasting to unsecure applications. These policies are only available for Android and iOS applications. Mobile device management is another capability of the Intune that is used for the whole device management or configuration management of a device. It focuses on managing and protecting the entire device, including the security settings, applications, and features that we have seen in the previous module and the demonstrations. Windows Information Protection is actually used for Windows devices, and Intune leverages the Windows Information Protection instead of MAM for protecting these applications on Windows devices. WIP helps protect data in apps on Windows, like MAM does for Android and iOS. In short, the mobile application management, MAM, is about securing applications and their data, while MDM secures and manage the whole device. For Windows, Windows Information Protection is used for app level protection. Intune mobile application protection policies provide the strong security for mobile applications and the data without needing to manage the entire device. These policies allow you to protect the corporate data while ensuring a seamless user experience. The key benefits of using the Intune managed applications are restricting copy and paste and save as functions. It prevents the sensitive data from being copied or saved outside of the managed applications. It protects the company data from unauthorized sharing. This applies to all users and all the devices. Next is configuring web links. It ensures the web links open only within the Intune managed browser application, keeping users in a controlled environment, and it reduces the security risks. Next is enable multi-identity and app-level conditional access. It allows users to access different accounts or services within the same application, which is called multi-identity. You can only apply the conditional access policies to control app usage based on the user's identity and the device status. Data loss prevention policies are the other policies for protection. We can apply the DLP policies to manage and protect corporate data without needing to be managing the entire device. This ensures that the data remains secure even on personal devices. App protection on third-party EMM devices, if we can use in the organization the third-party enterprise mobility management solutions, EMM tools, Intune can still provide app-level protection, giving the flexibility to manage the applications across multiple platforms. App protection policy reports are there that can be generated in Intune, and this report lists all the applications with MAM policies enabled. This helps you easily track and monitor the status of app security across your organization. In a nutshell, Intune's app protection policies let you safeguard corporate data within the apps. It controls users' actions and enables the secure access without needing to fully manage users' devices. When it comes to protecting and managing the applications with Microsoft Intune, you have two primary options. Number one, the Intune App Wrapping Tool, and the number two is the Intune SDK. Both have different approaches for securing and managing the applications on mobile devices. Depending on your needs and how deeply you want to integrate the Intune security features into your application, you can decide the tool to use. If I highlight some of the key features of each of the tool, first let's see Intune App Wrapping Tool. So it's a kind of wrapper. It is for the simple applications. If your application is simple, architecture is easy or simple, so it is easier to wrap it and it is less time taken process. It's a simple and short process. In this, the app wrapping tool is simple way to add the Intune's app protection policies to an existing application without needing to modify the application source code. It wraps the app in a secure layer that applies protection features like the data encryption and the access control. So we are adding an additional security safe net or the layer. When do we use it? For existing applications where modifying the source code is not feasible or not desired. When you want to quickly apply Intune security policies to an application without making changes to the app itself. If you want minimal development efforts and just need to enable the app protection features like the encryption, app level VPN, or secure data sharing, so you should go with the app wrapping tool. It comes with tons of benefits like the fast and easy to implement, no source code modification required for this, ideal for legacy or third-party applications. It also has few limitations like you get limited customization and the control over how the application interacts with Intune. You get less flexibility in terms of fine-grained security settings compared to the SDK. Number two is Intune SDK, and the Intune SDK allows the app developers to integrate Intune security features directly into the source code of the mobile application. By using this software development kit, you can build custom security, behavior, and management capabilities into the application. It gives you more control over its functionality. When should you use it? When you are developing the new apps or have access to the application source code, you should go for it. If you need greater control and want to customize the user experience with deeper integration of Intune security policies, go for it. When you need to implement more advanced features like the custom authentication flow, fine-grained data protection, or integration with the custom corporate policies, you should choose the SDK. The benefits of this are full integration, customizability, the stronger protection. It has few limitations like it requires the technical strength, the development efforts to integrate the Intune SDK into the application's source code. Longer deployment time is required for this and because it requires more detailed configuration and the testing. Well, this is about the two different options that we can use to integrate the Intune to protect the line of business applications. Next is implement the mobile application management policies in Intune. To do this, you go with application protection policies and you apply them on the devices where the apps are running that may or may not be enrolled into Intune. Intune app protection policies are assigned to the users. Intune app protection policies can only be assigned to Android and iOS devices because for Windows we have discussed we use Windows Information Protection, WIP. Manage the mobile application management policies in Intune. We monitor the app compliance status in the Entra portal, provide the summary, detailed, and reporting view of the app protection. The information includes in it is assigned users with the application policies, apps with MAM policies, top protected applications, user experiencing issues, or checking the check-in status. We can run user or app reports. It's up to us. Well, this was about this module. I hope this tutorial was informative to you. Thanks for watching and see you in next tutorial of this learning path. If you have not subscribed the channel yet, please do subscribe it and hit the bell icon for latest updates on my videos.